will show my mechanic then, yeah. Okay, so this is number 1, number 2, number 3.
Number 3, number 4. 1, this is 2. 3, 4, and 5.
Yeah. And these are the push rods for the
rudder and elevator.
Rudder and elevator, okay. Good, super, thank you.
And this is the fuel level sensor.
There are no markings on the wing where I can walk.
No.
But the central, I would say on the main spar I can walk.
You could.
Okay.
You can.
Yeah.
You can. But not the...